In this video, I will be showing you how to center your text in your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. Alright, in Adobe Premiere Pro, I added a blue water text on my video. And now to move it to the center of the video, you actually have two methods which you could use to move the text to the middle of your video. And the first method is by using your mouse pointer. You can just simply hold your text and move it to the center of the video. Make sure you hold Command key if you are using a Mac, and if you are using a Windows, make sure you hold Control and move your text towards the center of the video, and you will find an alignment like this, and there you go, that's the center of your text. And the second method which you could use is to select your text and head over to the graphics panel. Open up your graphics panel and go to edit. In edit you will find align and transform, and just if you are having your video on landscape format, you can just simply press this vertical center, and there you go, that's your center text. And if you are shooting your video in a portrait format, you can simply click this form and you will have your center text for the video. And I hope you benefited from this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a like. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.